South African football has risen to celebrate on and off the pitch, following Bafana Bafana's historic qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup in the United States, Mexico, and Canada. The South African Football Association, SAFA, has announced the return of German sportswear giant Adidas as the official technical sponsor of the nation's football teams. The three-year partnership marks Adidas' return after a 15-year hiatus, coinciding with Banyana Banyana's steady rise in women's football together. SAFA and Adidas aim to usher in a new era of South African sporting excellence. SAFA CEO Lydia Manyapawo emphasized the deeper significance of the deal, saying this partnership is more than a sponsorship, it's a return to shared values of pride, resilience, and performance. Adidas has long been part of our football story, and together will inspire South Africans everywhere to believe they've got what it takes. Manyapawo added that the collaboration also underscores South Africa's growing stature in global football, with regular participation in FIFA and CAF competitions being supported by a brand that invests in innovation, performance, and style helps meet the demands of a modern sports organization like ours. Tom Brown, Senior Brand Director at Adidas South Africa, echoed the sentiment, highlighting the role of football in uniting communities and said football has the power to change lives while inspiring people. Adidas has a proud heritage of pioneering products to top teams and athletic worldwide. We are proud to stand alongside Bafana Bafana, Banyana Banyana, and other SAFA teams as they showcase the spirit of South Africa on the international stage. With South Africa's national teams poised for major tournaments and Adidas back in the fold, the partnership signals an exciting chapter for the nation's football story, both on the field and in the hearts of fans. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.